We have the possibility of a government shutdown. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 6 ways that a government shutdown could impact your immigration case. You have to stay informed, you have to know what's going on, and in today's video, we're gonna dive right into it, so let's get started. I'm Josh Goldstein, I'm an immigration lawyer, and if you're serious about reaching your immigration goal, this is the channel for you, because we're dedicated at my firm to helping you reach your immigration goal. I'm based in Los Angeles. We also have an office in the East Coast. We work on cases across the country and around the world, regardless of your location, and our goal is helping you get your green card, your visa, your work permit, your asylum status. Whatever it is you're trying to shoot for, we're here to support you. And there's nothing worse than a government shutdown to get your nerves on the edge. Let's get into the top 6 things that you really need to know about how a possible government shutdown could impact your immigration case. The first thing that you need to know is that you have to have the right mindset. You're focused on your immigration goal. That's what you care about. That's what you're trying to do. The government shutdown is a temporary distraction. It is noise that you need to tune out, because the government's going to shut down or it's not going to shut down. It's going to reopen at some point, and the news cycle will change and this will pass. Don't let this discourage you. The second thing that you need to know about a possible government shutdown is that USCIS operations will be largely not impacted. That's right, your naturalization interview, your green card interview, your asylum interview, these things are likely to continue as scheduled, and that is because USCIS does not depend on the funding source that is at stake with the government shutdown. USCIS operations are funded by you when you write the check for the filing fee. There are some operations that we expect to be impacted, such as customer service, the 800 number, things like that, but largely the interviews and the processing will continue. Number 3, the Department of Labor will be impacted. If you have an employment-based immigration case or an H-1B visa and you need to get PERM processed or a labor condition application processed, those are going to be temporarily halted if and when the government closes down. Number 4, let's talk about the State Department, the National Visa Center, consulates and embassies, and visa interviews. Those are mostly funded by filing fees. So many of those services will continue in the face of a possible government shutdown, but there could be a decrease in the number of interviews, and there could be an even bigger backlog when the government reopens. So I would say that the State Department will be partially impacted. Number 5, U.S. Customs and Border Patrol. Certain aspects of CBP's work are essential to law enforcement. At an airport, CBP will be manning and processing people entering the United States. That will be unimpacted. But there are other aspects of CBP's work that will be affected by a government shutdown, such as the processing of TN applications, for example. Number 6, Immigration Court and Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE. Here we have a tale of 2 different types of cases. You have detained cases, cases where immigrants are detained in jail. Those cases are going to continue to be processed even if the government shuts down. So a detained hearing in immigration court would continue. Non-detained cases are going to be postponed. So if you have a date to go to immigration court and the government shuts down, immigration court's not going to be having a non-detained hearing. What questions do you have about a government shutdown and how it could impact your immigration case? Leave them in the comments below and I'll respond to each one.